It's been forecast that within 10 years, electricity demand will rise by 90% here in Dubai. The city already has a Sustainable Development Initiative plan in place. In under 2 years from now, it will be mandatory for the public and private sector to comply with Dubai's Green Building Code. Green buildings might need a higher capital cost from the outset, but this is ultimately offset by longer-term environmental savings. Laura Farnham is Vice President of Johnson Controls, who specialise in energy efficiency. Laura, thanks for joining us on Emirates News. Now, in what ways can we better optimise the efficiency of buildings that we actually live and also work in?
Well, Greg, as with many things, before you can improve something, you need to know where you're starting from. So the best idea is to get a baseline of the performance of the building and the consumption of the energy, and then be able to have the insight, the tools, the analytics to make sense of what that data is telling you and understand then where to tackle first in terms of improvements. And that's exactly what Johnson Controls does. Over 125 years, understand how buildings operate, where the energy is being consumed, where the comfort levels might not be optimal, and put the improvements in place to improve those.
Now, it's interesting that Johnson Controls work with 13 of the world's tallest towers, including our very own Burj Khalifa here in Dubai. I mean, what challenges, or benefits actually, do extra tall buildings bring?
Extra tall buildings typically are multi-use buildings. They have commercial office space, residential space, retail space, and each of those have their unique needs in terms of cooling and comfort, security, lighting. And so you really need to work with a partner that understands how to pull that all together seamlessly. Particularly if you think about tall buildings being very complex, multi-tenant, tenants might want to understand what their energy consumption is so that they can improve. So we provide the tools and the expertise to deal with that complexity so that our customers don't have to.
Dubai is actively working on developing green codes. I mean, is reducing the carbon footprint a reality?
We absolutely believe it is. We've got customers all over the world that have put energy-saving initiatives in place, and we've been able to demonstrate savings. So there's really no reason that we can't achieve that as a global economy if we set our mind to it.
Now, Laura, what are the real economic benefits of being more energy efficient, in your view?
Well, energy efficiency can also be viewed as cost savings. If you're consuming less energy, you're spending less money on energy. So, we like to talk about saving money, saving energy. You don't have to compromise one to have the other. And you can also save money, save energy, and create comfortable environments. And that's what we do at Johnson Controls.
Laura Farnham from Johnson Controls. That's where we'll leave it for now. Many thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.